Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I'm starting to feel like we kind of have theme days going on. Yesterday, I was posting a lot of healthcare positions. Today, it's a non-phone day for some reason. I am trying to mix in some other things like customer service. But with that being said, the links to all the pages that I share are always linked in the YouTube description box, so you can go directly to them, do your own research on the companies, and get that application in. Today's job lead is from the company Innova. They have 675 reviews on Glassdoor. Their rating is 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer service chat representative. Now, one thing to quickly note, this is remote for select states only. They have the states listed right here at the top of this page. Now, customer service can be non-phone. This is going to be through chat and email, so you're not going to be taking inbound phone calls. But if you live in one of those states and you are interested in this position, they are going to offer a 4-week training program. But they're really looking for somebody to respond to chats from customers and answer any service questions they may have. You'll handle all customer inquiries, requests, and thoroughly educate them on the products and services offered. You'll identify, research, and resolve all customer questions and issues, communicating clearly and professionally, and you'll maintain up-to-date information for the customer accounts. So you'll have to document their accounts in the system. Now, as far as what they're requiring, no college degree is required. They want somebody who has great written communication skills and can connect with customers over email and chat and take clear notes in the computer system. Somebody who can be a problem solver, someone who can balance or multitask multiple priorities at the same time, who can work in a fast-paced environment, and who has good data entry skills. Now, they are offering a benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Now, salary for this position was not listed in the job description, so actual salary will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. However, I do try to do a little bit of research and come up with an estimated salary range for you so you can see if it's worth your time to apply. I found 2 different listings on Glassdoor. One was for a chat specialist, and pay for that is anywhere from $38,000 to $44,000 a year. This is the range that I used for the title of this video, figuring out the weekly pay. However, I did find another Glassdoor page for this company that listed a customer service rep / chat at Innova, and they have the salary pegged anywhere from $37,000 a year to $50,000 a year. So you can pretty much guarantee that $38,000 is the lowest, and $45,000 to $50,000 is going to be the high end. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Let's see what tomorrow brings and what kind of theme day we can have tomorrow. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.